Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today in my video I will showing you how to measure the small transistor. There are a lot of small transistors, but there are only two types in total. Today I will take you how to measure that with this ohmed here. Although they have a thousand of different number, different code or different serial, but we divide it into two main important parts. One is an P and the other is N. One is P and other is N. There are thousands of different, but we totally include P and N only. So we separate it between P and N. P is it means positive. So P it is the abbreviation of positive. And it generally is the pin. Now look at the three pin. P it means a P channel. So it is an other type. It is a type of P. P equal positive and equal P channel. For the positive we have the red inside, just like this. Here is the cross mark here, and here is the ground, or we can say it is a ground or mass. We can say it is a mass or ground here. So here is a drain, here is a gateway, and then here is a drain, but they don't call it drain, gateway or anything, because this small little transistor is different from FUSET and different from bigger transistor. So we are only to know, we don't need to know anything too much for the beginner learnings. You just to know these two types, although they have a thousand of transistor code or transistor number. So the positive is only work with the you measure like this. Now I'm gonna example here. If you are using like this, red is in the cross mark and black is in hyphen marks. So the meter will be going to others number. It will work like this. It will going to anything anywhere of this. But you can slash your pen here like this. It still work too, but you cannot use the black pen like this. You cannot use black pen with the cross mark here, just like this. If you use this, it will not going up this pen going to this. It will stay in the same place. If you think you see something is wrong or you see something is working when you measure like this, it means the transistor is broken. So you cannot measure with this. And when you measure like this, it will not the pin. This pin is not moving up or not working. If you see it working when you measure like this, it means it was broken or your transistor is dead. So this is the P channel work. Now I go on an example for more about N channel. N channel, it means a negative, or it call it, someone always call it an N channel, and someone always call this one P channel. So they are completely different between N channel and P channel. P channel, it means positive. Positive is just the plus mark inside in the middle span of his body, and the minus mark is just outside his body, just like this. But the negative is the cross mark is outside like this, and the minus mark is inside. So they are different between P channel and N channel. The question always asks, how do you know P channel and N channel? P channel is have a P letter inside his body, just like this. Now I'm gonna example. When you are working this, you will see the P letter here or here. Otherwise, they have a number around this, and you will see the letter N or P inside this. So they are very easy to find. For example, this one N2 or 2N, N2 or 2N. So it equals the N channels because it is have a letter N. P channel, we have a letter P inside it. So it is easy to find and easy to understand. Now, how to measure the negative channel? Negative channel is you must be using this. The red meter mark is just put in the cross mark here like this. Black is to black, red is to red. When you measure this, the meter seconds will be going up like this or moving up like this if you are missing the, measuring this. And also this one too, when you slash it, also this one too, it will going up, it will going up like this. But when you change your meter pin just like this, it means black to red and red to the blacks. So it means doing like this. Now I get an example for you. If you are measuring like this, here is the red and here is the cross mark. If you measure like this, the second meter will not moving up or not going up. If you see going up, it means your transistor is broken or dead or burned by a diode, burn diode. And you can doing this too. It will not going up by doing this. So this is the way that you can measure it between P channel and N channel. Now we have two transistor, small transistor here. It is too blurred to show you, but you will know it is a P or N channel. So you must cover it up like this. So this one is the middle pin here, and this one is the outside pin here, and this one is the outside pin here. But we don't know this one is P channel or N channel. So we need to measure it. Just trying to measure it. Just try with this way trying with this way. Now first, the first method, you need to measure P channel or N channel first before you know it is P or N. So you need to choose one just among this P channel and N channel. So you have to measure between P channel first. P channel is the cross mark is inside it, so you need to measure like that. Okay. Okay, it's not working here. If you see the middle is not working, it means you need to try this one by moving your legs to the inside and the red pin is outside. So now we gonna choose that. Just a moment, please. Sorry. And now it's moving up with the this one. It's moving up. It means it is in N channel. But now we're gonna change it to the middle. Change to the other side here. Sorry, because I only have 2 fans. If I have more than 3 fans, I think it is good to be a recording. And here. Oh, my bad. So difficult to measure it. It's the bad hand here. Sorry guys, just wait a moment please. I need to try so my best to explain you very well about this. And here is it's working too. It's working too. The middle pin is working too, so it is in N channel. And you want to know that N channel works or not work. You need to measure with your pin back like this. By doing the red inside, just like this. If it is not work, it means your transistor is still good. It's still working. It's not dead. Just like this. So I think this video is can help you, and I think you have no any question more about it by my explain, and I am sorry for my bad English too, because I am not a local language. My language is Cambodian, so I live in Cambodia. Thank you for watching.